Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your website heading. How to customize your website heading. For you to do that, you need to be logged in as an admin. When you are logged in as your website admin, you will have this window on the top bar of your website. So you can either click on customize here, or you can simply go to your dashboard. Let me go to my dashboard. They are all the same thing, whether you click from here or from your dashboard, they are all the same thing. So I'm going to go to my appearance and I'm going to go to customize. So that is how to access the customization header customization window. So you can customize your heading. Once you click on customize, is the heading that you want to actually work on. So it's still loading. I'll just simply wait for it to finish loading. So on this window now, you can find you can see a number of side menus. We have site identity, the menu, the widgets, homepage setting, typography, and a couple of other the header and so on. These are things you'll find in this particular section. So you have a lot to customize. So it has loaded fully. So the first thing I want to do is to change the site identity. Now, a site identity is a particular favicon. It's called favicon. It's a particular image that appears at this at the top of your loading bar, your UL bar of your browser. So for example, this is a site identity, this is another site identity, this is a site identity. So the default is the default identity is the World Wide Web logo that comes with every website. So as a designer, as a developer, you have to change it to the appropriate logo you are working with. So for me to change my site identity, I will simply click on this, and you can leave it at this, or you can so the name of the site, this is where I can change the name of the site. I can say image network as the name of my site. I can decide to just beyond vision, and just this as, and then I can choose a logo. I can decide to choose a logo. Now, before you choose a logo, they have advised that your logo must be 512 by 512. So what I'm going to do is to choose from an existing logo that has something similar to that particular dimension. So according to, I'm going to check this. This is 250. No, I don't want this. I don't want this. I should have something. So I have something that is 500 by 500 here instead of 512. So if you need to resize it, you may have to resize it, and then I will update. I'll just update this and skip cropping for my site identity to appear. So I have this already now. So I'll just publish. I'll just publish. So once I publish and refresh, once I go back, is discover that the site identity is showing. Oh, I don't think that it loaded properly. Let me check. If it loaded properly, this will change. If not, we have to double check that. All right, so it didn't load very well, so I'll just do it again. I'm going to do it again. So I'm going to upload it again. Select this and so it has come. So I just publish. I'll publish. So this has published. Then I'll go back. Show that. Then I can now come here and change the logo. So for me to change the logo, I need to go to menu. Sorry. I'll go to header. I'll go to header. Yeah, we're in the right place. So I can select logo and upload. Select a particular logo to upload. So the advice you are giving is to use a logo that has 164 by 45. So I'm going to select a logo, something similar to that, something close to that dimension. Maybe please always stick to, for best design, always follow the prompt. So this is let's check this guy. This is 240. This is 243 by 77. So let's upload this guy and crop. We are going to upload this particular logo and crop. So if you need to design your logo, you may need a Canva account. So I'm going to do this because they do this. So I'm going to do this crop. So I'm going to crop this guy. So our logo is here. So our logo is here. So I'm going to publish. So it's already here. So I'm going to publish this logo. So you remember that you can max pixel, max height, you can increase or you can play around it, you can adjust to whatever size you want it to be. So that is how to change your logo. We have worked on site identity, we as well worked on the logo. think it is good that I refresh this page on web browser on this. So let's check what we have here. And then we're good to go. So you see now that our site identity has loaded, as well as the logo is now showing on our website.